Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this fun orange card with the Sweet Citrus bundle. Here is my orangey Thanks a Bunch card. So for this card, I started off with Granny Apple Green card base, and I used the Flowers and More Hostess Designer Series paper that you can find in the mini catalog. I love this paper. It is so fun. Next, I cut out this rectangle from the Radiating Stitches dies. These are new. They're online only, part of the online exclusives. So make sure to check that out because they're super cute. So I'm going to start by stamping in Pumpkin Pie, our sentiment. Now I'm going to stamp our oranges. I'm going to start with Calypso Coral for the rind. And I'm going to stamp it on a piece of 4x4 basic white cardstock. I just want to get the lines off of there. Now I'm going to stamp the inside with Pumpkin Pie. I'm going to place it in the embossing folder with the die in place and line up the stamped image with the embossing. I'm going to place the embossing folder on the number 1 plate and add the number 4 plate to the top. And then we have our embossed and cut out pieces. And lastly, I'm going to add some of these Pale Papaya opal rounds. And there is my fun orangey thank you card. Get my Sweet Citrus card class for free when you purchase the bundle using my current host code or place a $50 order. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Sweet Citrus card kit.